Hello YouTube. So we have our web page working fine with our custom CSS. An objective in this tutorial will be to grab Bootstrap in two ways. First we will grab Bootstrap from content delivery network, and then we will get actual files and put it on our own server. Okay, so that's the objective. But in the meantime, I just need to fix this about page because I want that generic base image to be all over the place, also on an about page. That will just be done in a split of a second. Sorry. Yeah, I think that's cool. That's cool. So what we need to do is we will of course open base template, and we need to change some things. So when we are grabbing additional, Bootstrap CSS, that means that we don't need this custom one. Okay, so we done that. And of course, because we don't have any kind of CSS, now our page looks pretty much ugly. Okay, that's the word. So go to Google and type Bootstrap introduction or something like that, or you can visit this link. Anyway, you will be landed on Get Bootstrap website. So the thing is that when we are talking about Bootstrap, we need to grab two things: the CSS files that we need to put into head section, obviously, where else, and JavaScript files. And those files that are necessary, we need to put them just before closing body tag. There is only one tag, so opening, that is at the bottom of our pages. Anyway, so let's do this. And also you have start a template if you want to grab everything, but that means that you need to type those codes from our last tutorials here. I think it's easier just to copy paste this and put it into corresponding places. So this is for Bootstrap CSS, but also I want to grab, to be correct, viewport, meta viewport. I also want to do that. Why not? After UTF-8, for example, we can put it here. Okay, so what next? Next, JavaScript files. And if you check start on template, you will see that they are right here at the bottom of our page. So let's grab them from here. Same thing. We can put it, I don't know, after end block. It will work. So we have it now. Let me fix these empty spaces here. No other things need to be changed on page. Let's go to our page and let's click on refresh. There you go. See, these changes, and the font is different down there, but the link are working fine, links. So that's cool. Don't worry about this navigation, we're gonna fix that right now. Okay, but before that, so this is one way how to grab Bootstrap. Now we will grab Bootstrap and put it on our website directly in our folders. So to do that, go to download section and grab compiled CSS and JavaScript files. Just click on download, and that's pretty much it. I don't want to waste your time, and I already have that on my desktop, so let's just open it. Okay, so let's see what's in it. We have JavaScript files, couple of them, and CSS files, a lot of them. So let's grab all of those and copy paste it to our project. My project, general Django project, my dedicated folder for our website. Let's go to static, because that's the place where we have static files, and I will create Bootstrap dedicated folder here. You don't need to do that, but why not? Of course you can put Bootstrap CSS into this CSS folder, but it will be kinda ugly. You don't need it. You don't need to do that, because it doesn't cost us too much to just create new folder. And now we have Bootstrap files into Bootstrap dedicated folder. Now the thing we need here is name of our Bootstrap CSS file, which is bootstrap.min.css. Okay, that one. So let's do that. And the results will be absolutely the same. We are just changing the link to our own file. Okay, we don't need integrity here. So static, we must use that. And where is our file? Bootstrap CSS, that's the path, and the name is bootstrap.min.css. So I think we are cool. And now when I refresh our page, we'll get absolutely same results. Refresh, and that's it, same results. But when you go to view page source, you will see our own path. So when you click on it, there you go, Bootstrap source code. Nice. Okay, let's fix that navigation. So let's go to Bootstrap navbar. You can type this navbar into search and you will get that page, but you can also go to Google and type Bootstrap navbar example or Bootstrap navbar page. So let's grab something from this. Yeah, let's grab everything from here, this source code, because then we will get this result, and then we will remove some things that we don't need. So copy. We're gonna do that into block content. Now the reason why I have this here, because we're gonna copy paste this to our Bootstrap source, but let it just be for now there. So yeah, this is our Bootstrap navigation, and let's see what kind of mess we have right now. Okay, that thing works, but we have mixed Bootstrap navbar and our own navbar. So let's delete this search and place and disabled and drop down and links and navbar. We'll just be here happy with classical links. Okay, so we will delete a lot. So form, we don't need it. Disabled, we don't need that. Drop down, we don't need it. What else? We have a link, that's cool. Home, we also don't need it. So we are left with link and navbar. Yeah, we also don't need this. Up to where? Up to approximately here. And I think that I simplified things a lot. So let's see what's happening. Okay, we just have that one link, and that's cool. That's all what we need. Now let's change the color of our navbar to dark. Okay, let's see what's happening. Oops. Dark for background. Yep, that's it. That's cool. Now let's change those links to, I will just copy paste this. Okay. And the actual links will be this one for home page, and we need to put it here. So that's for home page. Down there we need to do that for about page, and down there also for contact. So what is the link? About view, I mean about handle, that will lead us to that function, corresponding function into views file. Contact. So that's kind of cool. And let's delete our original navigation. Okay. Yeah, so we have our web page working pretty much fine now. We have that navigation working, website, that's cool. So what we're gonna do in the next tutorial, for example, I don't know, I will figure out something. The objective here is just to have, yeah, we're gonna create gallery basically. We will grab a couple of images and then we'll create a gallery, whatever, using couple of snippets from carousel. What is the correct term of pronunciation? Anyway, we're gonna grab something from this page. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna render and see you next tutorial.